Hello guys, welcome in my lecture. Today I will be discuss about magnetic field due to finite state wire. We have a finite, matlab, we have finite state wire having some length, specific length. So due to this wire, we will calculate at some distance like this here magnetic field. So here this is AB wire and we have a point P at distance R naught. Okay, and the current passing through this wire is I. Okay. Now, because this wire is finite, so uh, we can either choose a length from O to A, O to B, and second thing, uh, other I will give you angle. Angle means this angle. Okay, both ends subtend angle at P, and this is alpha, and this is beta. Okay, now this is a finite state wire. Okay. We assume a small segment of wire from O to Y. This the length of this segment is dy, and this segment created a magnetic field at P point. And also we assume that this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Okay. Black color. Okay. This distance is y, and this distance is r. R is variable because when we move from O to A or either O to B, R will be change. Okay, R is the instantaneous distance for any point on the wire from P. So magnetic field using Biot Savart law, using Biot Savart law, using Biot Savart law, magnetic field at P point. So magnetic field P point, this is a mathematical function. Okay, dB, because length is small. Okay, so magnetic field will be also small, so it will be dBp is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dy upon r square into sin theta. Okay, so this is a complete expression of magnetic field for current carrying wire using Biot Savart law. Okay, okay, but we want to calculate the complete magnetic field for the given AB PB wire at P point. So, but in this expression, we have three variable. Y is also vary. Okay. Uh, Y also vary. R is also R and theta. Uh, Finally, we have a three variable in this equation. How how can I integrate it? We can't integrate because in this expression having three variable, but we want only one variable for the integration. So we will convert this any two variable into remaining one variable. So we want to calculate the mathematical function in the term of angle. So our approach is all the variable we will convert in angle form. So okay guys, this is theta angle. Uh, so it will be pi minus theta. Pi minus theta. Okay. So from from triangle from triangle P, इसको we assume that S P Q S O P S. So first we will convert dy into theta. So dy this y. So tan theta using this angle tan pi minus theta perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is r naught and base is I. So it will be r naught and y. So y is equal to r naught uh, tan pi minus theta. This is tan is in second quadrant, and second quadrant the value of tan is negative. So we will put here minus tan theta. So we'll go to denominator and we will write here minus minus r naught y is equal to minus r naught cot theta. So this is y, but we need the value of dy. So differentiate in both sides. After differentiating, we get cot theta. After differentiating, it convert in the minus cosec square theta. So finally, dy is equal to plus minus minus plus r naught cosec square theta into d theta. Okay. Now another variable is r. Again, see the triangle OSP. We will calculate the value of r. So r sine perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So again we will choose the trigonometric function sine pi minus theta is equal to perpendicular on itna, and psi pi minus theta is sine theta. So r is equal to r naught cosec theta. So we have the value of r and we have the value of theta dy. Okay? Again, this is a expression 1. We will put these two variables in equation first. We put we put the value of dy and r in equation first. After putting the value, we will get dBp is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dy is equal to r naught cosec square theta. R naught cosec square theta into d theta, but sine, one more factor is sine theta into d theta upon r square means r naught ka square into cosec square theta. Okay, this is the final expression. uh, Cos square theta cancel out, 1 r so cancel out. Final expression of magnetic field, dBp is equal to mu naught 4 pi I sin theta d theta upon r naught. Okay, but we want to calculate the complete value of theta. Okay, so we will put here limit. What is limit? Because we know the limit of magnetic field 0 to dp, but here we will put the limit of theta. Lower limit is beta and upper limit is this angle, okay, pi minus alpha. So put here, this is beta and this will pi minus theta. So after integrating, sin theta is equal to minus cos theta. Okay, so bp is equal to mu naught 4 pi I by r naught ब्रैकेट में cos theta beta pi minus alpha, mu naught 4 pi I by r. So after putting the value, cos minus cos pi minus alpha plus minus lower limit, but minus and minus plus cos beta. So cos pi minus alpha, it is in second quadrant. Cos theta will be negative. P is equal to mu naught by I by R naught cut cos beta. Okay. So this is a mathematical function of magnetic field in the term of alpha and beta. Alpha and beta is also, we can convert this angle is theta 1 and this one is theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to 90 minus alpha. Same. Theta 2 is equal to 90 minus beta. So put here, and after put the value of alpha and beta. BP is equal to mu naught 4 pi I by R naught sin theta 1 plus. Okay, we have these two equation. You can use any one equation. Okay, I have a question. Find the magnetic field of following wires. First wire is a minus infinite, y direction plus infinite, and here R naught, current I. Okay, so what will be theta 1, theta 2? Okay, we have formula magnetic field BP is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by R naught in bracket sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. So what is sin theta 2? This is zero angle. Okay, zero angle when we go to up 10 degree, 50 degree, 80 degree. At infinite it will be like this, 90 degree. Okay, theta 1, theta 2 both are infinite. You can assume nearest value. So mu naught on sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2, 90 plus 90, 112. So final I by R naught. Second question. Second question. Okay. A to B infinite. But we need to find magnetic field at this point. R naught I. So theta 1 is 90 degree. Theta 2 because second part wire does not present here. So theta 2 0 degree. So P is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by R naught 1. another. We have many questions. Right? Guys, आज किसी का मैरिज शादी है, having some crowd, so finish our lectures at this point. Okay, because you can't understand clearly. Thank you.